What's up, mommies and friends? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, we are going to tour around Meissen, especially here in Albrechtsburg Castle. It's the next big city near Dresden. It's like around 30 minutes drive from here. So look at that. So we're going to hike a little bit going up to the castle. So let's get started. From here, everyone can already enjoy the scenic view of the Elbe and the Albrechtsburg Castle in its background. We decided to walk a little bit further towards the next bridge to see its majestic view from afar. After some photo opt, it's time to start our walking tour. Just past the small tunnel from the parking lot to the street towards the castle, and follow the signs and you will never go wrong. From this point, we turn to the right instead of using the shortcut stairways to be able to navigate the stroller easier. So there's two ways going up to the dome or to the Albrechtsburg Castle. This one, the historischer Rundweg, it's full of stairs. So instead of this, we're going to a round tour where the cars usually pass. So it's easier for us because we have a stroller. So there's actually an elevator going up here. It's like the shortcut, but let's see if it's open. So ticket is €1 per ride. Ayun siya. Ayun ang elevator. Nakakatakot. Parang mababangga ako later. Pero sarado yung office, so I don't think we need to pay. It's free ride. Ayan ang elevator. So mag-shortcut na kami. We don't need to walk around the mountain. So Popchi is very strict. Even though it's just the two of us and the baby, we still need to wear mask. Ayan na! Yung baba. So it's free ride. Meissen is a town about 25 kilometers northwest of Dresden, on both banks of the Elbe River in the Free State of Saxony in eastern Germany. It is the home of Meissen Porcelain, the Albrechtsburg Castle, the Gothic Meissen Cathedral, and the Meissen Frauenkirche. The Große Kreisstadt is the capital of the Meissen district. Around the year 929, Meissen developed from the Slavic village of Meissa on the stream of the same name to a market settlement, and finally at the end of the 12th century to a city whose town charter for the year 1332 are documented. The city of Meissen is intentionally famous for the production of Meissen porcelain, which was the first European porcelain to be produced since 1708. The name of the city, with double S, is a registered trademark of the state porcelain manufactory Meissen. The Albrechtsburg, the former residence of the House of Wettin, is regarded as being the first castle to be used as a royal residence in the German-speaking world. Built between 1472 and 1525, it is a fine example of a late Gothic style. It was redecorated in the 19th century with a range of murals depicting Saxon history. Today, the castle is a museum. Nearby is the 13th century Gothic Meissen Cathedral, whose chapel is one of the most famous burial places of the Wettin family. The hill on which the castle and the cathedral are built offers a view over the roofs of the old town. So the one door is open, so let's check it out. But usually the castles are closed for visitors. So let's see what we can find in here inside the Albrechtsburg Castle. Oh, it's just viewing deck. It's actually not inside the castle. It's just one part of the castle. So it's the Elbe view. Wow, look at this. Ang ganda. So this is the other way. The one I told you before, using the stairs. Ayan ang view mo. Super nice. Elbe River, and then yung mga houses and buildings here, or apartments. Amaze ka talaga sa mga pinto pa lang nila or yung mga gates. Ganyan nakakapal. Talagang metal na metal. So here is actually the entrance going to the Castle Museum. So let's check it out. It says it's closed for visitors. But usually this is the opening hours. So it's still because of COVID-19. But it's okay because we were here already like 2 years ago. so I can show you what's inside using my old clips. Saxon's history, innovative architecture, and strokes of genius are now brought to life through interactive exhibits, augmented reality formats, and 3D presentation. Oh, Pop, she said it's a sun clock. Can measure it through the shadow. But right now, there's no shadow. So it's kind of useless. And there's another one here. Look at that. Oh, diba? Amazing. Quite impressive, this castle.
Ha? Nasa prison ka?
Look at that! Who wouldn't be amazed of this beauty? Let's learn and enjoy the city even more, only here on my YouTube channel. Meissen Part 2 coming soon! That's it for today. If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!